G'day everyone, this is Gordon from the Bitcoin Basics podcast with an opportunity for you to ask a question or questions in our upcoming Q&A AMA Ask Me Anything episode. Feel free to ask whatever you want, but please be as specific as you can, and it doesn't necessarily have to be technical, but it has to be related to Bitcoin, obviously. However, instead of reading your emails, we would love to hear your voice and makes it more interesting on the podcast. So can you please record your voice and send it to us? For the tech savvy amongst us, just record it on your phone or tablet or however you're going to do it and email it to podcast@coincompass.com. For the less tech savvy, or perhaps even just an easier way to do it, go to coincompass.com/ask, ASK, and that will automatically take you to a page where you can record, re-record it, and then send it to us with a minimal of fuss. We'd love it if you could state your name and city in the recording. Feel free to use a fake name or a pseudonym, that's fine, just to give it a little bit more interest, but we will certainly not use your real name or email on the podcast. Please send us your questions, feedback and comments before Saturday the 29th of February, and we're looking forward to answering your questions. So just a reminder, coincompass.com/ask, ASK. Until next time.